Another part of my morning rituals, I did the hydration first thing in the morning. Try to get a liter in before you have anything else. I also like to mix in the lemon juice and vinegar. I gave you that recipe prior to this. We're going to do my morning coffee ritual, which is really simple. Espresso maker. That should be perfect right there. And we're using organic beans, mold-free. Dave Asprey stuff. We're going to grab our trusty old California Jam Fred Barge cup, and he said there is but one cure in disease, the body's ability to heal itself, and there is only one thing any doctor can do for a patient, and that is to remove an obstruction to healing, thus facilitating it. He was my biggest mentor. Okay. Little plug for Cowtown, a little plug for Fred Barge. All right, and then I also hit it twice. That way I have enough volume there. I used to just dilute it with water, but we're gonna go big time. 4 shots of espresso this morning. Voila. Pour it in the Vitamix. And then I like to put a little bit more of this than recommended in. This is Laird Hamilton Superfood. You can use the Bulletproof mix. Just get some fats in the diet in the morning. And then we're going to put a big scoop of the collagen in there in the morning. That's how I get my collagen in. Come back over to the Vitamix over here. Put the lid on. This is my breakfast right here. Most of the time. Sometimes I have eggs and bacon. Sometimes I have ground beef. Amazing. I'm never getting up coffee, okay? I've given up all my vices, but I'm never getting up coffee because I love it. All right. See you guys on the flip side. Rock and roll.